is now coming back towards me. He's crossing up from slightly in between Geronimo Montilla, Geronimo Cordillera, and he's coming up towards Solero Oliveira intersection, but slightly closer to my house. So he's just flying around in the same lines as the police helicopter. It's a Cessna. White, 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 orange, 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 orange. So just lay those over each other, and those are the lights that he has. This whole thing is so stupid. It's unbelievable. Everything's so embarrassing. Sitting here in a lawn chair recording some dude in a Cessna saying he's a helicopter.